Here's how to create a simple zoom transition in Premiere Pro. First, create an adjustment layer by clicking the new item icon in the project panel and select Adjustment Layer. Accept the default settings and click OK. Drag the adjustment layer over to the timeline and place it on top of the two clips. Adjust the length of the adjustment layer until it is equal on both sides of the two clips. Next, go to the Effects panel and add the transform effect to the adjustment layer. With the adjustment layer selected and the playhead between the two clips, go to the Effects Control panel and under Transform Effect select Scale Properties. Create the first keyframe where the playhead is located between the two clips with a value of 300 or more. Create a second keyframe with the value of 100 at the beginning of the adjustment layer, and another keyframe with a value of 100 at the end of the adjustment layer. Right-click on the first keyframe and select Ease Out, and also on the last keyframe and select Ease In. Next, disable the option for Use Composition Shutter Angle. Then set the shutter angle anywhere between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. I will set mine at 360 degrees. Next, add the cross dissolve effect between the two clips. That's how you create a simple zoom transition in Premiere Pro.